Tinjan, aka Water Festival, is a celebration of Burmese traditional New Year. It usually occurs in the middle of April and it is celebrated for 4 to 5 days. This year, Tinjan will start from April 13 to 15. We pour water at each other, believing that the bad luck from the previous year would be washed away. The Jan. We also say Tinjan, but we usually say the Jan. Ada the Jan. We also say Ada Tinjan, but we usually say Ada the Jan. During Tinjan, you will find clay pots full of flowers and leaves in front of houses in Myanmar. It is an offering to the Jamin, the ruler of heaven, who we believe visits the earth every Tinjan period. Ada-o mean pot. The Jamin. We celebrate our New Year at least 4 days, and they are Ajo, Aja, Ada. Nisan Dayane, Nisan means fresh year. Di, but as a prefix, it is da, 1, and ya is a classifier of day. Ne is day. So you can say Ajone, Ajane, Adane, and so on. Burmese New Year doesn't fall on the first day of the first month. Although months are based on the lunar cycle, the New Year is based on sidereal years. We usually wash our hair with Deyogimbon during the New Year's Day, believing that it will remove bad thoughts, bad omens, and bad dreams. Deyogimbon. Deyo is this bark and gimbon is this dry fruit. Nitiku. Ni mean year, ti mean new, ku is verb to cross or to transform. Mingla. You might heard of this, Mingalaba or Mingalaba. It is how we greet. Mingla nitiku. You can add pa or ba. It is for politeness, but if you add it, it's like wishing someone prosperous New Year. Mingla nitikuba. Phit pa se. Phit means to happen or to occur. Pa se is for wishing. Mingla nitiku phit pa se. We use this only for formal settings. We usually just say Mingla nitikuba. Pyo shun ba se. Pyo shun mean to be happy. Mingla nitikuma pyo shun ba se. Mingla nitikuma pyo shun ba se. Ma mean at or doing. Di mean this and nit mean year. Dinit. Be twa male. Be mean where. Twa mean go. Ma or ma in this is well. And le is a question marker. You can also add ja. Ja is plural suffix. Dinit the jan be twa male. Dinit the jan be twa male. Dinit the jan be twa male. Dinit the jan be twa jam le. Dinit the jan be twa jamle. Dinit the jam bedwa jamle. Balomle. Ba lo ma le. Balomle. Ba mean what? Lo mean do. Dinit the jam balomle. Dinit the jam balo male. Dinit the jam balo male. Dinit the jam balo jamle. Dinit the jam balo jamle. Dinit the jam balo jamle. A C as in, but we usually just say a season. A season. She mean to have. Ba season she le. Ba a season she le. Ba a season she le. Dinit the jam ba season she le. Dinit the jam ba a season she le. You can also add a dra. Dinit the jam a dra ba a season she le. Dinit the jam a dra ba a season she le. We usually just say without a dra, so it's dinit the jam ba a season she le. Shao le me. Shao le me. Shao le me. Ka ne. Ka ne. Ka ne shao le me. Ka ne shao le me. Ka ne shao le me. Sign ke ne. Sign ke ne. Sign ke ne. Sign ke ne shao le me. Sign ke ne shao le me. Sign ke ne shao le me. Che jin. Che jin. Che jin. Che jin shao le me. Che jin shao le me. Che jin shao le me. Yi ba kan tra me. Yi ba kan tra me. Yi ba kan tra me. Yi mean water. Ba means splash. And can is for passive voice. In this case, it makes like to be. And tra is to go out. Ai ma be ni me. Ai ma be ni me. Ai ma be ni me. A mean house. Ma is at. Be or be is only. And ne is to stay. Pia twa me. Pa ya twa me. Pia twa me. Dinit the jam ba sa jam le. Dinit the jam ba sa jam le. Dinit the jam ba sa jam le. Sa mean eat, and you can also add ma here. Dinit the jam ma ba sa jam le. But usually we just say dinit the jam ba sa jam le. Mo long yi bo. Mo long yi bo. Mo long yi bo. Shui a. Shui yin a. Shui yin a. Tao mean to drink, so you can say like shui a tao me. Jia zhen jia. Jia zhen jia. Jia zhen jia. Or you can also say jia zhen hing a. Jia zhen hing a. Jia zhen hing a. Mong le sound. Mong le sound. Mong le sound. Bedok flower are the symbol of Dinjan season. They bloom only during Dinjan and after Dinjan rain. They only last for a day, and that's why they are very special to us. I wrote it wrong. It should be they are. Bedok. 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 La like that. La like that. La like that. La mean to be beautiful. Like that is like an expression for like when you are amazed something like wow, it's so beautiful. Bedok ban la like that. Bedok ban ga la like that. Bedok ban ga la like that. Ga or ga is a subject marker. Muy like that. Muy like that. Muy like that. Bedok ban muy like that. Bedok ban ga muy like that. Bedok ban ga muy like that. There is another yellow flower that looks similar to bedok to those who never seen it, but it is bigger and bloom every season is nguwa. 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 Manda in Dinjan Festival is a place where you pour or splash water at people. It can be a small one made with coconut leaf for a small crowd, or an open city stage where singer and dancer perform Dinjan songs or dances. Manda. 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 Some people also call it Manda. Manda. Sore. So. De. Sore. Chin. The. Chin. The chin. Manda ma the chin sore. Manda ma the chin sore. Manda ma the chin sore. Kare. Ka. De. Kare. Myanmar, but we usually just say Myanmar. 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 Aka. Ka. Aka. Manda ma Myanmar aka kare. Manda ma Myanmar aka kare. Manda ma Myanmar aka kare. Manda ko twa chin de. Manda ko twa chin de. Manda ko twa chin de. Yi lao de. Yi lao de. Yi lao de. Now you can also say like Manda ma yi lao de. Yi lao me no. Yi lao me no. Yi lao me no. Me is for future tense. No is asking for agreement. It's like okay in English. Lao or lao ba. If you want to be more polite, you can say lao ba, or you can just say lao. Malao ne. Ma. Lao ne. Malao ne. Yi bat de. Yi bat de. Yi bat de. Yi bat me no. Yi bat me no. Yi bat me no. Yi bat chin de. Yi bat chin de. Yi bat chin de. When you splash water at someone, it makes a sound, and that sound in Burmese is boing. Boing. Ire. De. Ire. Chan de. Chan de. Chan de. The Janyiga ire. The Janyiga ire. The Janyiga ire. Pure. Pu. De. Pure. Nuyadi. Nui. Ya. Ti. Nuyadi. Nuyadi ya pure. Nuyadi ga pure. Nuyadi ga pure. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, join my Discord server, Learn Burmese. You can search on Google. And Mingla nit de guma bye bye.